Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how to resolve the P1 error code on a media portable air conditioner. So let's get started. The process is quite simple. Start by switching the unit off and disconnecting it from the power supply before you begin. Next, you need to empty the water. Put a shallow container or tray underneath the rear of the air conditioner. Then remove the lower drain cap. Let the water flow out completely. If necessary, gently lean the unit backward to help remove any water that remains inside. After the water has been drained, put the drain cap back in place, tighten it properly, and ensure it is securely fitted so there are no leaks. Now reconnect the air conditioner to power and switch it on. If the P1 message is gone, the issue should be fixed. However, there are a few common reasons why P1 may appear again right away. First, check that the drain cap is correctly fitted and confirm the air conditioner is positioned on a flat, level surface. If you have a continuous drainage hose connected, then make sure it isn't bent, blocked, or restricted. High humidity can also cause the internal water tray to fill faster. In humid environments, you may need to drain the unit more frequently or use a continuous drainage hose if your particular model supports one. If you have completely emptied the tray and the P1 error still won't disappear, the float switch or another internal part could be malfunctioning. In that situation, contact media support or have the unit inspected by a qualified technician. So that's how you can clear the P1 error code on a media portable air conditioner. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.